Hello students, today we will learn one important part of the grammar. Actually this part you have been learning since the previous classes, but still we have to learn this part. What is this? This is the parts of speech. Then try to understand what is the meaning of parts of speech. I will tell you. We speak sentences. We use sentences while speaking, reading and writing. And in these sentences we use the words. But these words are not the same type of words. They are different types of the words. So in English grammar we use different types of words, and these types of words are called as parts of speech. While speaking, we use different types of words. We don't use the same types of the words. So these different types of words are known as parts of speech. Which are the parts of speech and how many are they? We all know that there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. Let us learn one by one these parts of speech. First one is noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word, we know. The name of anything, person, place, animal is called as noun. For example, a table, a book, a pen, a man, a boy, a girl, a mountain, a river, tree, house, building. These are the names of different things and persons and place. They are called as nouns. So this is the first part of speech. The next one is pronoun. Pronoun is the word which is used at the place of noun. That means this word is used instead of noun. To avoid the repetition, we do not use the noun again and again. Then we use some particular words instead of the noun. They are called as pronouns. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you, etc. I will tell you one sentence. Amit is a clever boy. Amit works hard. Amit helps his father. Amit plays cricket. Amit writes stories. Instead of Amit, again and again in the next sentences we use some other word. For example, Amit is a clever boy. He helps his mother. He works hard. He studies very well. He plays cricket. So he is the pronoun. Likewise, she, they, we, these are the pronouns. We use them instead of the noun. So they are called as pronouns. Now come to the next part of speech, that is adjective. Then what is adjective? Adjective is the word which adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Once again, try to understand. Adjective is the word which adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. That means the word which tells more information about a noun or pronoun, it is called as an adjective. For example, good, bad, happy, big, strong, nice, strange, weak, beautiful, ugly, short, small. These are the adjectives. What they do? They tell more about the noun. They tell us about the noun. For example, he is a good boy. He speaks very well. The man is very strong. There is a big tree. My school is very big. In these sentences, you try to understand which are the nouns and which are the adjectives. For example, the boy is clever. He is clever. Here, he is pronoun and clever is telling more information about he. This is a strong man. Here, man is a noun and strong is the word which tells more information about that man. So, strong is the adjective. So, there are the adjectives in English which adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. That means they tell more information about the noun or pronoun. Now the remaining parts of speech we will see in the next video.